In this video today, I'm talking to you about how to make money online without spending money. How to make money online for free. I'm going to tell you about how you can make money online without spending money. You don't need to buy anything or to sell anything online. All you are going to be doing is you're going to be doing some tasks online. You will be playing some games online. And as you play the game, you are going to be gathering coins, which is going to become converted to money in a few days' time. There's what is called airdrop that is currently in circulation, and this airdrop is linked to cryptocurrency. So you do some tasks and then you earn coins. When the company or the people that have the app or the site where you do those tasks, when they list the crypto, then the crypto get monetized, and then they give every coin you have made, they give it a value. You can decide to sell your coin immediately. They give it a value in dollar, so you can decide to sell your dollar value immediately to some other people who want to keep the coins, or you can decide to hold it and keep it and let it appreciate before you sell it. This strategy by these companies or by these apps or by these crypto holders is aimed at drawing attention and drawing engagement to their cryptos. There's a particular one that is currently ongoing. It is called Hamster Kombat. This Hamster Kombat, we ask you to watch YouTube videos, and then we ask to do some other tasks, to click and to tap, and we ask to play some games. And then when you complete the games, as you're doing all this, you're going to be making points. And then you see all those tasks you're doing, they are generating money in some way, because you subscribe to the YouTube channel, you get 100 coins. You follow them on Twitter, you get points. You follow them on Instagram, you get points. All this following, they matter in the advertisement world. So they gather this following so that they can matter in the advertisement world. When they make the adverts, you get a pay out of the adverts. Already, Hamster Kombat have been said to make billions and billions of dollars already as at now. So part of what they have made, because of the tasks that people that are on the app are doing, is what they are going to be sharing on the 26th of September. So I'm telling whoever cares to listen, join Hamster Kombat today. Today is, you're just ending, today is the last day of the month of August, so you have 26 days to go before Hamster Kombat is listed, before they start paying people. By the time it is 26, they pay people. Those who have not joined have missed it. So only those who have joined are going to benefit from it. Personally, I've been on Hamster Kombat for about 16 days now. My wife was the one that introduced it to me. Initially, I was skeptical, but when I took a closer look, I saw that it was real, and they are joined. Now, they have 11 levels. I'm on level 9 out of 11. And by my projection, I may not be able to get to level 11, but I'm going to get to level 10 in about 15 or 14 days time. I'm going to get to level 10. So there are a lot of tasks and a lot of things that you can do to make money. So it's not compulsory that you refer anybody. If you refer somebody, you get points. You get some points. If you do some tasks, get some points. Do this one, you get some points. It is not compulsory you invite people. It is not compulsory you do any task. My goal here is to bring you information that will help you. Many people have been coming on this channel that the businesses I'm talking about, they don't have capital. So this is an opportunity for you to get capital. So if you get the capital, then you look for another business on this channel. Then you go ahead and do that business. As I continue with your airdrop, you now have some capital to do the minutest of the business I've talked about on this channel that involves capital. So this is one way that you can make money from airdrop, or you can make money online without spending money. So it is not fake, it is real, and you are hearing it from me. One of my friends who saw my post on Facebook, he was my friend from secondary school. He didn't even ask me any question. All he said in my direct message was, send the link. and I sent a link to him, and he joined, and I've seen the progress he's making. Because those who join through me, I will see what is happening to you, at the level you are, and the points you have made. I will see it when I check those who have joined through me. Another individual came to my house to fix my furniture. There are some furniture that needs repaired, dining table, and some doors that need to be repaired. And he came around. As he was repairing it, I told him about Hamster Kombat, and he said, "What? He's interested," and he joined. That was yesterday. And then another individual on Thursday, which is today Saturday, I'm recording now. On Thursday, I was at a program somewhere, and we sat next to each other. And then I told him, "Do you know about this game?" He said, "No." Then what next is that he said I should please send a link to him. You see, I am a reliable individual. On this channel, you've never seen me come to be asking you that send me money or do anything. My intention is you just get better. You just succeed. Your success is my success. Your success is my joy. I've been doing this type of thing right from secondary school. I gather students, I teach them. Some of the students I taught, they are bankers, they are big people. Some of them, their parents meet me, they start kneeling down for me that thank you, thank you. I look at it as if they're embarrassing me. Just take your success and go ahead and continue with your life. My name is more important to me than money. Then the money is going to come. When you make money, one day, even if you are stingy, you will remember me that I'm the one that link you up or that make you to get started. Somehow you mention my name and I'm going to get rewarded. So that is how my own reward is going to come. Then I'm helping you, I'm sowing into your life with the information I'm providing on this channel. Some other people too are going to be sowing into my life. And I've seen so many privileges like that I've enjoyed. Places I never thought I can get to. I get to those places, and I look back. I said, it is the prayers. It is the prayers of people on this channel. Prayers of people who have helped. Prayers of my parents, my own prayers of my leaders and my religious leaders, and the goodwill and everything, and my own effort also are paying off. So, people have done a program called Dogs. They've done other ones, and they have gotten paid. Hamster Kombat will be paying on the 26th of September. Please, I'm pleading with you. I don't want you to miss this opportunity. At least for these ones, make money legitimately through me, through my information. Don't miss this one. People have told, they have joined. Up to 10, 20, 30 people have joined from across our videos YouTube channel. Some have joined. People just trust me. Please trust me also. Trust me with this, and let's make it together this September 26th. So you have to start now. Not that when it is 1 week to the time you now start joining, you are not going to make much. If you start today, I can guarantee you that nothing less than 50,000 naira is what you are going to make in Hamster Kombat. Nothing less than 50,000 naira is what you're going to make if you start today, as I seen this video, and you go on even for 3 weeks, even for 4 weeks with the program. You are going to make money. So you don't need to spend any dime. I will leave the link to join the Hamster Kombat in the description section of this video. I'm going to be leaving 2 links. The links for my wife is the first one. My own link will be the second one, because my wife has said she introduced me to Hamster Kombat, and I have been getting people getting referrals, but she is not getting referrals. So the carpenter that came to fix my chairs yesterday, I gave him the link to my wife's Hamster Kombat. So he invited him, and immediately I helped him to do the registration. It went to her. So I will leave her own first, then I will leave my own second. So anyone you prefer, definitely just take the first one. But if you don't want to, if it's my own you want to be under, you can go ahead and do that. And we are going to make this money together. This money is crypto money, and I want you to make this money. So in the next, I've started on cryptocurrency for some time now, and I will continue delving into cryptocurrency. This Hamster Kombat is very, very interesting, very, very good. So just start, and then you keep on going on. In the description section of this video also, I will leave the link to a video I've done about Hamster Kombat, telling you the step-by-step guide on how the money you are going to make is going to be calculated, how they are going to calculate money that is going to be made on the program. I will leave it in the description section of this video. So the video is less than 10 minutes. So when you register, you watch the video, and then pronto, you are going to be happy that you did. My name is Dr. Olugbenga Adetitun. I'm your host on this channel. I bring you information on how to make money legitimately, both online and offline. So I will see you in the next video. Before then, this video popping up by the side is the next you need to watch. Then, when you join and you want me to help you to start getting people to join your own referral as your own referral, just send your link in the description section of this video. That please, I joined through your video. Now I want referral. So people that are watching the video next, they can go ahead and use your link to join the Hamster Kombat. I'm going to talk to you in the next video. But if you're going to leave your link in the description, you must tell in the description that how many times I mentioned the word Hamster Kombat. If you don't get how many times I mentioned the word Hamster Kombat and you leave your link in the description of this video, I am going to get the link deleted from my end. So only those who get it correctly, how many times I mentioned Hamster Kombat in this video, they are the ones that I'm going to leave their link. And please, everyone that is joining newly, use my own link in the description or my wife's link, or you are at liberty to use the link of the people that are showing in the description section of this video. I will see you in the next one. Until then, please, this is the best time to make money legitimately and online. Let's make it together. Bye bye.